Someone just open-sourced a full 3D building editor that runs entirely in your browser. No AutoCAD, no Revit, no $5,000 a year license. Draw walls, place doors and windows, add furniture, build multi-story structures, walk through them in first person, and share the result with anyone via a link. It's called Pascal Editor. It runs on WebGPU, and it's free. This is Pascal Editor, a free, open-source, browser-based 3D building editor. 13,100 stars, 600 forks, MIT licensed, 8 releases in 24 days, built with React 3 Fiber and WebGPU, not WebGL. Go to editor.pascal.app, type a brief like villa with 3 bedrooms and 2 floors, and start designing. No sign-up, no download, no credit card. Everything runs in your browser. And wait until you see it in action. This is Pascal Editor running in a browser. Full 3D building design. You draw walls with snap-to-grid precision. Place doors and windows that cut through walls with Boolean geometry. Add furniture from a drag-and-drop library. Switch between 3D view, exploded view, or top-down 2D drafting mode. Walk through your design in first person. Export to GLB, STL, or OBJ for 3D printing or fabrication. And share an interactive walkthrough link. Anyone can explore your building in full 3D without installing anything. Let's talk about how fast this is growing. 13,100 stars, 1,600 forks, 496 commits, 8 releases in just 24 days. That's 1 release every 3 days. Multi-story support, roof systems, material presets, 2D floor plan editing, walkthrough mode, GLB and STL export, all shipped in under a month. The core packages are published on NPM. You can embed the viewer or the scene engine in your own applications. But here's the tech that makes this possible. Pascal Editor is WebGPU-first, not WebGL. Direct access to GPU command buffers, bypassing CPU bottlenecks. 60 frames per second with over 1 million polygons. Under the hood, it uses an entity component system, flat dictionary storage, not nested trees. Dirty node tracking means only changed entities get sent to the GPU. BVH-accelerated Boolean geometry cuts windows and doors into walls with mathematical precision. A typed event bus handles intercomponent communication, and a spatial grid manager handles collision detection and placement validation in real time. Think about what this means for architecture. AutoCAD costs $2,000 a year. Revit costs $4,000. SketchUp Pro costs $700. Pascal Editor is free, MIT licensed. Open source. You can fork it, customize it, self-host it, embed it. The Community Edition runs entirely in your browser with local storage. And the collaboration model. Share an interactive 3D walkthrough via a link. No software install for the recipient. That's Google Docs for architecture. Here's what separates this from a generic 3D editor. Pascal Editor understands buildings. A wall is a wall, with height, thickness, and material properties. Doors and windows know they belong to walls and cut through them automatically. The node hierarchy is site, building, level, then structural elements. When you export to GLB, the geometry is architecturally correct, suitable for fabrication, not just visualization. And the AI Assist lets you start from a natural language brief. Villa with pool, 2-story family home, modern apartment. Type it, start editing. Open Editor, Pascal, app. No sign-up, no download. Start building. Pascal Editor, the 3D building editor that costs nothing and runs everywhere. Subscribe to Awesome FOSS. We find the best open source tools so you don't have to.